Bansha, Shenchang, Renzhen, Ganzhao, and additional Ganzhang, ginger, same ginger, that makes Bansha Xie Tang. If you remove Huang and add Chaihu and remove Ganzhang, Xiao Chaihu Tang. If you remove Chaihu and also Huang too. Hello everyone, Dr. Choi here. Welcome to my formula class. Today we will talk about Xiao Chaihu Tang family. There are many variations from Xiao Chaihu Tang. When we understand Xiao Chaihu Tang, there are two different sides of herbs. First one is Chaihu, Huangqin, and Huangyan. And next, Bansha, Renzhen, and Shenchang. As you can see here, one part is red and another part is blue. Blue means they have cold property, and red means they have warming property. Chaihu clears heat and releases exterior. It is just like antipyretics. And Huangqin clears heat and also subside inflammation and dry dampness. But Huangyan, this herb, is another herb which clears heat and dry dampness, just like Huangqin. But in Shanghanan period, the action of Huangyan is disputable, controversial. So the father of Japanese traditional Chinese medicine, the Yoshimatsu Todo, once said Huangyan is not clearing heat herb, but Huangyan is the herb clear the chest, removing blockage on the chest. And you will see why this Huangyan is interpreted in different way when you understand Xiao, Chaihu Tang family. And Bansha, remove phlegm with Shenchang. So this is a paired herb, remove phlegm and warms middle jiao. And Renzhen, it is controversial too. In modern TCM, we think Renzhen has warming property and tonifying qi herb. In Shanghanan period, Renzhen is a little bit different from nowadays. First of all, Renzhen was usually classified as a cooling herb. Yeah, of course, there are different species of Renzhen in China, especially in Han Dynasty. In these days, we mostly use Korean ginseng, which has very warming property. But in Han Dynasty, there was no Korean ginseng. So it is arguable too. And let's draw the line here. So we have cooling side of and warming side of herbs. First, let's remove Huangyan and Bansha, Shenchang, and Renzhen, and Ganzhao. This is Xiao Chaihu Tang. So it treats Xiaoyang symptom in the middle between Taiyang and Yangming. And this is commonly used formula for clearing heat. Once you remove Chaihu and add Huangyan, so Huangyan, Huangqin. So Chaihu is removed, Huangyan and Huangqin. Bansha, Renzhen, Shenchang, Ganzhao is the same, but in this case, Ganzhang is added to Shenchang. It looks like warmer and it looks like colder. But actually this formula is commonly used for functional dyspepsia, not antipyretics like Xiao Chaihu Tang with Chaihu. So it is kind of counterintuitive. So it is actually warming formula than Xiao Chaihu Tang. So in modern TCM doctors interpret this as a clearing heat in the chest and warm middle jiao. That makes sense too, different interpretation. So this is Bansha Xie Tang, Bansha Xie Tang. Once you remove Huangqin and leaving Ganzhang and remove Shenchang, so warmer, getting warmer and less cooler. Some TCM doctors do not think this one as a cooling herb. Then this is actually warming formula. And this formula is used for gastrointestinal symptoms, especially vomiting and nausea. So you can see this is the family of Bansha Xie Tang without Huangqin and Shenchang. And let's remove Huangyan and add Chaihu and Huangqin, just like Xiao Chaihu Tang. Bansha, Renzhen instead of Ganzhang and Shenchang. Xiao Chaihu Tang. Let's remove Ganzhao and instead of Ganzhao, let's add Dajiao, Guiqi, and Fuling. So warming herbs with Guiqi and Dajiao. And let's add two additional key herbs here. Those are Muli and Longu. Muli and Longu. And they calm Shen. So this formula is used for calming Shen, mental problems. And one more additional herb and a cold side, Da Huang. So clear, damp heat. So this side warms and this side cools. And this formula is called Chaihu Jia. Add with Longu Muli Tang. Chaihu Jia Longu Muli Tang. And commonly used formula for mental problems. And let's remove all this and let's make this Xiao Chaihu Tang. And in this case, let's remove Chaihu again, add Huangyan. Just like Bansha Xie Tang. If you add Ganzhang, this is Bansha Xie Tang. But in this case, let's remove all this warming side and Jiao and Baishao. So all kind of cooling herbs. Jiao, add water, tonify blood and yin. So this formula tonifies yin and also clears heat. One additional formula is egg yolk. So all this egg yolk, Jiao and Baishao tonifies yin. So this formula tonifies yin and clear damp heat. And modern TCM doctors interpret this formula as a cooling excessive heat and tonifying yin deficiency. That makes sense too. But in original Shanghanan text, this formula is used for heart irritability, heavy sensation on the heart. So Huang can be interpreted as herb removing and clearing chest. And this formula is called Huang and Jiao. Huang Jiao Tang. If you add, instead of Jiao and Baishao, Bansha, Shenchang, Renzen, Ganzhao, and additional Ganzhang, Ginger, that makes Bansha Xie Tang. If you remove Huang and add Chaihu and remove Ganzhang, Xiao Chaihu Tang. Okay, I hope you liked the lecture. See you later.